So Trulieve. Now, if you guys were watching my video, my top 10 picks for August 2019, you would see my number one pick in my video is Trulieve. And Trulieve just reported strong operational results, record revenue and profits, and grows footprint in the second quarter of 2019. This comes off the heels of Cannabis Growth reporting their revenue, or what some people are saying their loss of $1.2 billion. But Trulieve's results are fantastic. Company achieving new operational efficiencies and strong financial discipline as it rolls out growth and expansion initiatives as a multi-state operator. Trulieve Cannabis Corp, TRUL in Canada, TCNNF in America, today announced its financial results for the second quarter of 2019, ended June 30th, 2019, unless otherwise stated. All currency is expressed in US dollars. Second quarter 2019 financial and operational highlights: record revenue of $57.9 million, an increase of 30% on a sequential quarter-to-quarter basis. You know what? This deserves a little bit of attention. This deserves its own music. This deserves, because right now everybody is hating on the cannabis sector. Everybody's hating on the cannabis sector. Everybody's talking trash right now. Everybody's got something negative to say about the cannabis sector. So you know what we do when people have negative things to say about the cannabis sector? You know what we do? We made this song for Cannabis Growth because for a long time we thought that Cannabis Growth was number one. I don't know if they're not number one anymore. I don't know if they're number one anymore.
Dramatic examples to shape the effect as a man.
I still think Canopy has a chance to be number one, but what about Trulieve? Nobody is talking about Trulieve.
Now we fighting in Gotham. We don't have time for jokers.
People are forgetting about Trulieve.
Cannabis Corp. It's the number one buy. If you look up, you can see the signal in the sky. Yeah, based in Ontario. I'm like, here we go. Putting all my money on this one. You can hear it through the stereo. Canopy, biggest in the world. No one else could ever beat them. So I'm putting this track out for the people, so you gain financial freedom. Bruce Wayne in the city. Canopy is number one.
But are they number one anymore? Trulieve had record revenue of $57.9 million, an increase of 30% on a sequential quarter-to-quarter basis. Adjusted EBITDA increased from $19 million in Q1 2019 to $31.6 million in Q2 2019, an increase of 19% in Florida patient growth, driven primarily by the introduction of smokable flower. Increasing the patient count to just over 181,000 as of June 30th? What? 131,000 patients for Trulieve. That is staggering number. Staggering number. Smokable flower accounted for approximately 50% of total product sales in Florida for Q2 2019, up from nearly 30% in Q1 2019. Completed a public debt offering, raising an aggregate principal amount of $70 million. Opened 3 additional dispensaries in Florida, bringing the total to 29 at Q2 2019. Completed acquisition of CT-based medical cannabis dispensary, The Healing Corner. Launched various automation initiatives to further increase efficiencies, product output, and innovation. Executed a large-scale customized SAP implementation. Could Trulieve be looking to take number one? Or could it be Aurora? Could it one day be Zenibus? Is Canopy Growth showing cracks in their armor? Canopy Growth for the longest time has always been number one. Now they're starting to show some cracks in their armor. My question is there anybody else that has the ability to dethrone them? Justin Albertan says, Emerald Buddy, like I just said the other day, did you see the increase on the JV sales? Huge increase. Huge increase. Massive. But do you see the growth in Trulieve? Do you see how fast Trulieve is growing? Recent highlights and developments reporting total current cultivation capacity of approximately 1.6 million square feet, which includes large-scale greenhouses, previously reported and experimental, which were added as a cost-effective and highly efficient alternative to expand oil biomass capacity. Commenced trading on the OTCQX best market under the symbol TCNNF. I want to see Trulieve go to the senior exchange. We need to see Trulieve on the NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange. Extension of voluntary lockup agreement with company founders of 65 million or approximately 59% of shares outstanding on a converted basis until July 2020, with 11,200,000 or approximately 10% of shares outstanding on a converted basis becoming unlocked in January 2020. Closed sale leaseback transaction with Innovative Industrial Properties. I love IIPR. So they're obviously working with IIPR, another giant, to provide capital to Holyoke MA cultivation and processing site. Appointed Peter T. Healy to board of directors. Our financial, this is Trulieve's financials. Our strong financial results for the quarter combined with our operational and foundational evolution illustrates that Trulieve is not just a cannabis company, but an organization that possesses the key fundamentals expected of leading companies across all industries, said Kim Rivers, CEO of Trulieve. By continuing to focus on operational efficiencies, maintaining sound financial discipline, and leveraging our strong brand awareness and patient loyalty within current markets and in future expansion initiatives, we expect our efforts to translate to new strong results throughout the remainder of 2019. Their numbers have just grown. Total revenue, 57.9 million. Gross margin of 37.6 million, gross margin percentage of 65%, operating expenses of 14.8 million. They're running a lean, mean machine here at Trulieve. Operating expenses only 26%. So adjusted EBITDA of 31.6 million. This is a profitable company, folks. This is a profitable, clean company, still trading at under $13 in Canada. This is a profitable, clean company. About Trulieve Cannabis Corp. Trulieve is a vertically integrated seed-to-sale company and is the first and largest fully licensed medical cannabis company in the state of Florida. Trulieve cultivates and produces all of its products in-house and distributes those products to Trulieve branded stores, dispensaries throughout the states of Florida, as well as directly to patients via home delivery. Trulieve also operates in California, Massachusetts, and Connecticut. Trulieve is listed on the Canadian Securities Exchange under the symbol TRUL and trades on the OTCQX best market under the symbol TCNNF. Wow. Trulieve's a beast. I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing run tomorrow. These results are very strong. This looks very clean. Very simple press release. They don't really have anything bad or negative to explain. This looks like a company that is going to do very big things and is chasing Canopy Growth for the number one spot in the cannabis sector, not just for Canada, but for North America and for the entire world. Justin Alberta says 65 cents a gram to grow it. DS says, could PCLO dethrone Canopy in the future? They will have the biggest growing capacity of any LP in the entire world. Wow. I wasn't aware of that. I need to look into PCLO a little bit further, but thank you for your comment. I wasn't aware that they had such a high growing capacity. Justin Albertan says Trulieve numbers are good, but it's not a cheap stock. Anything over $1 billion has been baked into the share price. Yeah, but we've seen Trulieve run to $20 before. I wouldn't be surprised to see them run again, which is, if they run at $24, it's 100% upside. I'm not saying they'll stay there, but wouldn't be surprised to see them go there. Randy Ivanov says, keep buying when everyone gets scared. The big fish are circling. Oh, yeah, absolutely. Justin Albertan says, it's Emerald that is growing at 65 cents a gram. Yeah, that's pretty good. Zenobus is growing at 50 cents a gram. And I heard someone else was growing at 45 cents a gram. Can't remember who. Charlie Sanders says, people think Cresco Labs will have highest revenue in coming earnings very soon with Origin House. That sounds interesting. I doubt it, but you never know. Justin Albertan says, oh, thanks for the tip. I'll relook at that. Hey, no problem. We're always looking. That's why we share information here. There's so many companies out there. That's why we have this community. That's why we have this platform, is so that we can communicate and we can talk about what is happening in the market and we can come to a consensus. In this video, I just wanted to talk about Trulieve. I think the numbers are very impressive. I think they're very strong. They were my number one pick for August 2019. They did not disappoint with this revenue. They did not disappoint with this press release. It is very strong revenue growth. And once again, Trulieve reports strong operational results, record revenue and profits, and grows the footprint in the second quarter of 2019. This is Rich from Rich TV Live. If you're not winning, you're not watching. Always consult a financial representative before you invest in anything that we talk about here at Rich TV Live. Always invest in the best. The best is blessed. And Trulieve is absolutely the best. I'm going to come back with a video very soon about Canopy Growth because we need to get to the bottom of it because it doesn't make a lot of sense. And Canopy Growth is down big after hours after their revenue forecast, which is filled with surprises. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. If you ain't winning, you ain't watching. It's true. We bring you winners. We bring it to you first. We bring you the picks. We bring you the news, and we analyze it for you. I'm up, people. Peace. Trulieve, put on your watch list. Put it on your radar. I'm telling you, they're a winner, and I wouldn't be surprised to see them blow. If it ain't going to be tomorrow, it's going to be in the future. They're currently at $12 in Canada. I see them going to $20. You heard it here first from your boy Rich. Trulieve will go to $20. You heard it here first from your boy Rich. Rich Stradamus. I'm out. Peace. They're going to blow.